VRAR Stock Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. The Glimpse Group stock, it's actually right inside my demand area. Right inside it. And before I get deeper context, I have done 32,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course and trips, and as a result the strategy has delivered thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years. With VRAR specifically, because it's inside my demand area, I'm looking to long. I don't know like when my video last was made. It seems like it was December 13th or something, 2 days ago, whatever, but now we're here and now it's where it gets interesting. What I particularly want to see is a double break, so that will come right here. Oh yes, I'm still yet to see it. And that's up. Nah, first break hasn't even happened yet. Because the market is fractal, it doesn't even matter that it's 5 minutes as long as you follow the edge. We're all good, you know. It's not you, it's me, you know, me talking to myself. Because obviously this is not financial advice, it's all demo and simulated. Please do your own due diligence. If you want to learn the strategy, there is a free newsletter, first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.